Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're transforming a classic comfort food into a delicious vegan dish. Get ready to indulge in some creamy, cheesy goodness with our vegan mac and cheese. It's rich, satisfying, and completely plant-based. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of elbow macaroni or your favorite pasta, 1 cup of raw cashews, soaked for about 2 to 4 hours, 1 cup of nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, half a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and finally, a handful of fresh spinach for added nutrition and color. Now that we have everything ready, let's cook our pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add in your elbow macaroni. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, it's time to prepare our creamy cheese sauce. Drain the soaked cashews and add them to a blender. Now, let's throw in the nutritional yeast, plant-based milk, lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. You may need to scrape down the sides a couple of times to ensure everything is well combined. The consistency should be thick but pourable. If it's too thick, add a little more plant-based milk until you reach your desired creaminess. Once your pasta is done cooking, drain it and return it to the pot. Now, pour that luscious, cheesy sauce over the pasta and give it a good stir. Make sure every piece of pasta is coated in that creamy goodness. For a little extra flair, let's toss in some fresh spinach. This adds a pop of color and boosts the nutritional value of our dish. Stir until the spinach is wilted and beautifully blended into the mac and cheese. Now, here's a fun twist. If you want to take this comfort food to the next level, you can bake it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the mac and cheese into a baking dish, and if you'd like, sprinkle some extra nutritional yeast or breadcrumbs on top for a delightful crunch. Bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes, or until it's bubbly and golden on top. This step is optional, but it adds a nice texture and makes it feel even more like a comforting casserole. And there you have it. Your vegan mac and cheese is ready to serve. It's creamy, cheesy, and oh so comforting. Perfect for a cozy night in or a gathering with friends. Let's plate it up. Serve it warm, and don't forget to garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives for that extra touch. This vegan comfort food is sure to impress even the biggest cheese lovers out there. Thank you for joining me today in making this delicious vegan mac and cheese. Remember, comfort food doesn't have to be unhealthy. With a few simple swaps, you can enjoy all your favorite dishes while staying true to your plant-based lifestyle. Enjoy your meal, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking.